Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chichi. I'm a mom YouTuber based in Germany, and in this platform I do skincare product review. I talk about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, family, and lots more. So if that is what interests you, that is what you love seeing, please don't go away. Smash on the subscription button, turn on your bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So it's a quick one today, guys. I just have this product I want to review. This product has been doing wonders on my skin, and I decided to share with my amazing subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers that just joined the family. I see you all. God bless you. I love you all. Stay blessed. Okay, guys, so let's jump right into today's video. Today's video is a quick one. I'll be showing you guys this product I've been using for a very long time. I've not really, maybe I've put the photo of this product here, but I've not really reviewed this product like I usually do on my channel here. And I got this comment from a subscriber that she would like to use this product and I should make a review about it. So there's no other product than the snail. They call it the advanced snail 96 Mucin power essence. This is an essence product. I think it's a Korean product. Yeah, it's a Korean product, and it's so nice for the skin. So this is the product I'm talking about. This is how the carton looks, and this is how the bottle look inside. You might have seen this in one of these skincare product videos, and you're wondering if this product is really good. The name is actually CosRx. Yeah, like you can see, it's CosRx. The name is called CosRx, and this product has serum, it has face cream, it has face wash, but I use particularly this serum because that is what I wanted to use at the time I wanted something for my skin for hydration. So let's go into what this product does on the skin. Okay, guys, so on my own opinion, I got this product because of the hyping of the product and how people are talking about it on in internet. So I decided to give it a try. On internet, people talk a lot about this product, so I decided to give it a try. I bought the first one, I finished it, I ordered the second one, and I got the third bottle. This presently is my third bottle, and you can see it's finished. I've run out of it. Yeah, I'll be getting this very soon, and luckily for me, they are selling this now in my drugstore shop. Yeah, in my city. It's a little bit expensive. Yeah, people will say it's expensive. Yeah, I would say for someone that's not into skincare, this might look expensive, or you might see this as being expensive for you because it's over 20 euros. In my drugstore shop, you can get this for 25 euros. That's 24.99. But sometimes I get it on Amazon Prime, because I'm a Prime member. I get it on Amazon Prime for a lower rate, like 20 euro or like 19 euro plus. So you can, people that, if you are not a skin type person, you will say, this is not necessary, but I'll tell you guys, this product is amazing. So my lovely, like I said, this product is amazing. I started using this skin after treating my acne, and I was having leftover spot on my skin, especially on my facial skin. I was looking for something to use. Yeah, initially I was using hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary and the alpha arbuthin, which is very good. So I heard about this product and I decided to give it a try. First time I applied it on my skin, I got it wowed. Like, it wowed my imagination. It was so nice. It's cool on the skin. It did not give me any reaction. Like, I have a sensitive skin, and anytime I apply a new product on the skin, I might get a breakout, but this time I didn't get a breakout. Rather, my skin was so beautiful and looking so supple, and this glows your skin like instantly. Immediately you apply this on your skin glows. Like, this glows lasts for 24 hours on your skin. Like, this product is amazing. So if you're out there and you have a dehydration, like you're struggling with your skin, you are struggling with a dullness of the skin, or fixing your skin barrier, like those barriers that affect your skin, like dryness, crackiness, like dullness, like, you need this product in your skincare regimen. There's no You don't need to sleep over this product. This product is amazing, and I'm trying to get the 4th bottle. Yes, I love it. I'll keep buying it. I wanted to go for the moisturizer, but I have a very nice moisturizer I use on my skin. Like today, you can see my skin. I just finished washing my face with the CeraVe, then I apply the vitamin C, then I apply my serum, the snail Mucin, then I go in with my facial cream and apply my sunscreen. Like you can see me in this video, I don't have any makeup apart from the lip, the lip color I have on my, like the lip gloss. I have no single makeup on my skin. Like this product actually glows your skin. So if you are the person that is interested in glowing your skin, like giving you that beautiful, youthful, healthy skin, this product is for you. I'll tell you to go give this CosRx a try. It is very, very nice. It moisturizes the skin. It calms the skin if you have skin irritation, like people that have redness of the skin. Like after my acne treatment, I was having this redness of the skin. Like when I go into the sun, I'll be feeling that my skin is red on this side or on the other side. So since I started using these products, I've fixed that issue. I no longer have skin irritation, no rashes on my skin. This CosRx actually cleans your skin, like it's smoothing your skin. It gives you that glow you are looking for. Instant glow. The way it feels on the skin is amazing, and it dries up. Like I would say, it penetrates into the skin very, very fast. It doesn't take time like the hyaluronic acid always sometimes stay on top of your skin, and when you apply your other product, it begins to peel off. Like if you have noticed something like your skincare peeling off, that is what I was experiencing while I was using the hyaluronic acid. While I was on the hyaluronic acid, it is good, but you need very little of hyaluronic acid because it peels if you apply another skincare on top. But for this CosRx, it doesn't peel. It just goes into your skin and it accepts every other skincare that you apply on your skin, and the finishing look is always beautiful, and it sits very well on it. Makeup sits very well on it, on your face after using this. So go try this product and come tell me what you think about it. It's so nice. So when applying it, just put a pump here, like you can see. It's this way. Let me not waste my product. It's so slimy. Look at it. This is one thing I love about it. That's how it looks like. That's the texture. It's so slimy. So this is how it looks like. You will be feeling that this is so thick. No, see, after applying it, you see the glow. This is how your skin is gonna look all day. Like you can actually wash your face and apply this CosRx on your skin. Is so nice. And if you want to go for the face cream, go ahead. I've not tried the face cream. I've tried this one, so I'll be telling you more about the serum. So guys, that is what I came to tell you guys today. It's been a while I did a video, so I just decided to share this with you guys. This is a 2 bottle. I've thrown away the other one because I don't keep containers. Sometimes I do because I want to make a video. So after this video, I'm gonna dispose this one. I still have something in this, so I'll be getting a new one. And yeah, try get the original. And if you live in Germany, you can check the Müller drugstore shop. They started selling this CosRx in our drugstore shop, and I'm so excited about it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy watching this video, so please hit the subscription button, turn on your bell icon, give this video a huge thumbs up. You guys to encourage me to make more skincare videos. Please guys, watch my videos and encourage me. Drop your comment. Let me know in the comment section if you have actually tried this CosRx serum, this hydrating serum. It's so good, guys, to fix your skin barrier. So this and vitamin C works hand in hand. It's amazing. The result is gonna blow off your mind. You're gonna be amazed how this thing is gonna hydrate your skin. You can actually go out without any makeup. See, I just came in, guys, from shopping. I had nothing on. Guys, this product is amazing. So thank you for watching, my lovelies. I will see you guys in another one. I promise to be coming back once in a while to drop amazing skincare video. We'll also have like skincare chat video. I will not review any product. I will just come and tell you guys what you can use, things you can use, like your facial cream, your cleanser, things you can use, toners, things you can use on a budget to actually glow your skin. You need no organic, you don't need to spend too much money. You don't need to break the bank to look good, to have a beautiful skin. Actually, you can go to the drugstore shop, know your skin type, pick what matches your skin, what suits your skin type, and start using it. I will tell you, skincare, you need consistency, you need patience, and you see your skin glow. Okay, so thank you, my lovelies. I love you all. Stay blessed and stay beautiful until I come your way next time. Bye.